In this video, I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about those get-rich-quick scams and schemes and apps that you download as a side hustle to make money online. We're focused on affiliate marketing and why it is the simplest way, the simplest side hustle as a way to make money online. Because the thing is, all you have to do when you do affiliate marketing, and the reason I call this the best side hustle online, and I made a video, there's a card up here in the right-hand corner, you should check that video out. But the focus here is affiliate marketing is based around recommendations. You simply making a recommendation for things you use, things you like, things you know about, things that you know other people are going to like just as much as you. And when you recommend them, they click on your link. Again, don't worry about the technical details of all that. It's really simple to break it down in just to a series of steps where you put all this together to specifically do affiliate marketing online as a side hustle. And once you build a foundation and you start putting those pieces in place, you realize just how simple it is and how easy it all comes together. As an example, if you were to join Amazon Associate Program, become an affiliate for Amazon, which is basically every product on their site. And as soon as you get somebody to click on one link for a product that you recommend, they land on Amazon.com. And as you can see here, Amazon kicks into high gear and they start selling. Epic deals start at midnight. And then they start making recommendations and deals of the day, inspired by your shopping trends. Discover your next read, gifts for Father's Day, pick up where you left off, shop innovate products, recommendations for you, shop live streams inspired by your purchases, save on overstocked items, relax with a book, recommendations in your Kindle store, books you may like, are you a fan, update your space, keep shopping for, and the list goes on and on. And all you had to do was recommend a product, create a piece of content, again, around the things that you already use, the things that you know work, and you created a piece of content, a blog post, you posted on your Facebook profile, you did a YouTube video, you made a simple recommendation, someone accepted that recommendation as a good recommendation based upon the quality, and yeah, you have to work a little bit and learn how to develop quality content, but it's really simple to do once you get started. Like you see here on a YouTube channel that I put together, it's called Publisher Report. I simply come in here, I give helpful information, and then I recommend products. For example, in this video, Done For You KDP Low Content Research Guide is simply a video where I recommend a research guide that's for sale as an affiliate. I make a recommendation. I get emails in my inbox like this. You helped EasyPub Profits make a sale. And then back on the channel, I have more content and more content where I make recommendations. And those recommendations are for other people's products. And then you can see the sales come in as an affiliate. You can see the stats. You can see how simple it all comes together, because affiliate marketing really is just that simple. It's just creating content in the form of a blog post, writing what you think about a product, opening up your camera, making a video, telling people what you think about a product, doing the simple task of signing up for an affiliate program or an affiliate marketplace, which there's tons of for just about every product that you can think of. And it's super simple to create this and turn this into a side hustle that can actually expand into a real online business. And if you'd like to learn how to do that, all you have to do is click the link. There's a link in the description that will take you over to a free training where you can learn exactly how to do and start affiliate marketing step by step. Of course, that training is 100% for free. It's going to show you how to get started. And there are some tools that you will need specifically to do affiliate marketing online. And if you'd like to learn exactly how those tools work and where you can get them for free, go ahead and click the video you see on the screen right now. Head over there, watch that video. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.